We see this continuous trajectory towards more and more inferencing, more and more large data volumes being moved around the network. The requirement for AI storage continues to grow, and the amount of data retention required for language models and data that needs to be mined for AI. We don't necessarily build AI, but we certainly build the plumbing for it. Megaport is the world's largest network as a service provider. We connect over 1,000 data centers globally. One of the main attractions for the Latitude acquisition was not only did it correspond with the global footprint that we've rolled out, but also the automation behind the platform. We're really the global AI cloud enabler. So we're really providing the plumbing that connects customers to AI workloads. About a year ago, Megaport, as part of the continuous growth into other areas outside of networking, when we really looked at the enterprise play, there's really three parts of all enterprises. They need network, they need compute, and they need storage. And as well, we know that the requirement for AI storage continues to grow, and the amount of data retention required for language models and data that needs to be mined for AI. It made a clear choice for us to really break into that area to provide storage. When we had a look at the different platforms that we were looking at deploying into the environment across both Megaport and Latitude, we were looking at really different technologies in both camps, one for Megaport and one for Latitude. When we really came across Vast and really spent time with Vast, the real benefit that we saw was really being able to buy one platform, the OS that was really allows us to provide all three services to customers as one single platform. So the real benefit from us was programmability we've got across both platforms. Talking to one system from Vast really was a huge benefit. The other component we really liked is that Vast was really the operating system or the software layer, allowing us to really expand as quickly as needed. But it was the real differentiator was being able to choose one platform rather than build multiple platforms under the hood. The flexibility, again, one of the reasons we chose Vast was for that flexibility. So we will offer, let's call it common services, bare metal, customers being able to use file services and just treat it as if they needed some enterprise type delivered services, all the way up to building tokens as a service where we build some AI capabilities directly off our platform, and we're trying to make networking interesting and cool again and continue to really expand the platform.